Alhamdulillah. Nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu. Wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa man yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Wa asyhadu anna la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarika lahu. Wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu sallallahu alaihi wa ala alihi wasallam. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani wa yafqahu qawli. Welcome to my channel Qsharebd. Qsharebd is a channel of sharing knowledge in order to understand Quran. Today is our lesson number 28. In this lesson we will try to understand the Arabic irregular verb. How to handle the irregularities of Arabic verb. Now, what is irregularities and what type of verb we are calling about the irregular verb? Arabic verb can be classified based on these three weak letters: alif, wa, and ya, and also a special letter hamza. All these four letters together, we can say it is a irregular letter because these four letters makes the verb irregular. Based on this four letter, the Arabic verb has been categorized as a different group, like the regular sound verb. Regular sound verb, we are calling the verb those verb that doesn't have any weak letter or a special letter. Without this four alphabet, and the other any alphabets, any three alphabets makes this regular sound verb, like kataba, fahima, etc. And the second category is irregular sound verb. Irregular sound verb has been categorized in two groups, like hamzated verb. Hamzated verb means if any one of these three root letter become hamza, means then it is called hamzated verb. Like akala, the first letter of these three root letter, first letter is hamza. The hamza can be middle letter or last letter as well. So if any one of these three root letter is hamza, then it is called hamza. And second category is geminate or double verb. If the second and third radical become same, that dakka, the second third both are kaf kaf, so it is written like this: dakka, dakka ya dikku. So this is the double verb or geminate verb. Now, based on these three weak letters, the Arabic verb has been classified into three groups. Like the group number one, it is defective verb. The last letter becomes wa or ya. If the verb have last letter wa or ya, then it is called defective verb. Like bada'a. Here bada means to appear. Here the last letter is alif, but it is not actually alif. The actual root letter is wa. The second group is hollow verb. Like ba'a means to sell. The middle letter is wa or ya, but it is showing alif, but it is actually ya. And the third group is assimilated verb, and the verb start with wa or ya. Wada ya yudu. It is called assimilated because when this verb is conjugated in present tense, then the wa or ya dropped out. Like wada becomes ya yudu. There is no wa here. Now these three verbs, assimilated verb, hollow verb, and defective verb, in Arabic there is a terminology. It is called mithal, azaf, and naqis verb. This is frequently used terminology, that's why I have brought into this lesson. Now you will see how to conjugate this irregular verb. We will discuss about the hollow verb conjugation process. Hollow verb means the middle letter is wa or ya. If middle letter is wa, then the first person, second person conjugation will start with dhamma. And if the middle letter is ya, then first person, second person conjugation will start with kasra. For example, the qala means to say. Here the middle letter is alif, but the formula is saying that if middle letter is wa and ya, then this formula is applicable. But here the middle letter is alif. Then how can we conjugate this with this formula? But actually the middle letter is not alif. Then what is the middle letter? Middle letter is either wa or ya. How to understand it is ya or wa? If we know the actual root letter of this verb, then we have to go back the source of this verb. In Arabic, the source of any verb is the masdar of that verb. Then we have to go back the masdar of this verb qala. The masdar of the verb is kaulun. This is the source of this verb. So from here masdar we can see the middle letter is wa. So this alif is actually wa. For the simplicity and ease of working the verb, the waw converted into alif. This is the Arabian language practice and standard. So this alif actually wa. So you have to follow this pattern. The conjugation of first, second person will start with dhamma. For example, the first person past tense, I said kultu, and second person past tense will be you said, it will be kulta. Similarly, we can see one more example. The Sara means to run. So here the middle letter is alif, but the actual letter is no, it's not alif. So go back, the masdar is sairun. So in masdar we can see it is ya. So the Sara, the middle letter is ya. So it will start with kasra. Like first person past tense, I ran, it will be sirtu. And second person past tense will be you run, it will be sirta. And this is the difference of conjugation of this verb qala. All other things remain same as our standard conjugation. Now we will see the details conjugation and we will compare this conjugation with our standard conjugation verb, fa'ala and conjugation verb. Then we will compare and we will see the difference. Now we will start conjugating this verb qala and we will compare with the fa'ala conjugation table. This is the conjugation table, and this is these are the conjugation of fa'ala verb. This fa'ala is our standard or basic verb to conjugate, to learn the conjugate. In every Arabic grammar we have to start with this verb fa'ala. Fa'ala is the source of conjugation of verb. If we know this fa'ala conjugation, then everything is easy for us. Now this is the fa'ala conjugation table for past tense and present tense. And the starting conjugation is huwa, he, and fa'ala, he did, and yafalu, he does. So our qala verb will also start with this starting point. Qala is the he, and dual plural will be qala, qalu, qala, qala, qalu. Our standard formula is fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, and this verb qala also qala, qala, qalu, the same thing. Here there is no difference. And for female, qalat, qalata, kulna. Our formula here fa'alat, fa'alata, fa'alna, qalat, qalata, kulna. The only difference is here is the ku. Other thing is same. So there is no difference with the standard formula. Now this difference start from this first person and second person. The conjugation will be started with dhamma instead of fatha. Here our standard formula says that it is fa'altu, fa'alna, but here is kultu, kulna. This is the difference. And second person also will start with ku. Kulta, kultuma, kultum, kulti, kultuma, kultun. The standard formula for fa'ala pattern is fa. All are fa, fa, fa. Fa'alta, fa'altuma, fa'altum, fa'alti, fa'altuma, fa'altum. All are fa, fa, fa. Here all are ku, ku, ku. This is the difference. All other things are remain same. The middle letter and last letter all are same. The present tense also the same similar. Qala, yakulu, and dual plural will be yakulani, yakuluna. And for female third person, takulu, takulani, and yakulna. And for second person male, takulu, takulani, takuluna. And second person female, takulina, takulani, takulna. And first person singular plural will be akulu, nakulu. Very easy. And for amor, it will be kul, kulu, kul, kula, kulu, kuli, kula, and kulna. You know the how to form this command amor. Amor is formed from the present tense verb of second person, because amor verb is only applicable for second person. Amor verb is used to command second person people to do something, like do it or don't do it. This type of command, the amor verb is used. So it is only applicable for you. Female and male, singular, dual, plural, singular, dual, plural. These 6. So to form this amor verb from present tense, we have to delete all prefix the, and we have to delete all noon, and the remaining part will be amor for this koala verb. And for a standard verb, we have to add hamza with dhamma or kasra. But as it is not a standard verb, koala is the irregular verb, so we don't need to add hamza with dhamma or kasra. So we have to just delete this prefix ta, and we have to delete all noon, and remaining part will be the amor. And masdar is kaulun, and active participle is will follow this pattern. Fa'ilun, it will be ka'ilun, and passive participle will be mafulun pattern, it will be makulun. This is the conjugation, and comparing with the fa'ala basic verb conjugation pattern. And if we can understand this basic fa'ala pattern, then this is very easy for you. If we don't understand this fa'ala pattern conjugation, then this thing will be very mess up for us. So I do request you to understand, to memorize this fa'ala pattern conjugation, because this is the source of all Arabic verb conjugation. Arabic verb conjugation, without these things to understand, we cannot learn Arabic. So this is very, very important. So I am not explaining these basic things because it has already been explained in the earlier lesson. So this is the end of our lesson 28. Thank you for watching.